Pwy ydy dy ffrindiau di yn y garfan, sa'ch ti'n dweud? Pwy ti'n treulio mwyaf dy amser efo?
Chris Ganta a Aaron Ramsey. Gwrs ni wedi bod yn chwarae nawr am sawl mlynedd, Ben Davies hefyd. Mae'r garfan yn un agos iawn. Mae'r awyrgylch yn un positif iawn.
Fi wedi bod yn tîmau Cymru ers ni chwech gyda Johnny Williams a Danny Ward. Mae ddau nhw yr un oedran y fi ac wedyn ni gael y boys Dan James, Joe Roden. Mae nhw'n bit o ni pob dydd, felly nhw'r boys fi'n mynd o gwmpas mwy o'r amser.
Obviously, you're going to be focused on games, but what are you going to do to relax in between games? What do you like to do to relax?
To be fair, normally the obvious answer would be PlayStation and of course but nah, like we have a great group and the boys love socialising, playing pool or table tennis and just take your mind off the footballs.
Yr iPad. Ie, byddai'n gwylio pethau pan dwi'n ymlacio ar ôl ymarfer.
Cards, poker, Uno, and we got a little group of us who literally play that 24/7 when we're not on the training pitch. But it's always for competitions, like we wouldn't just play it for nothing. It's always like loser has to go and get coffees for everyone or make cups of teas. So it's always something on the line.
Mae Lloegr yn y grŵp, wrth gwrs, ti di chwarae efo rhai chwaraewyr Lloegr, ti'n nabod rhai o'n nhw'n dda iawn, os unrhyw banter di mynd ymlaen, hyd yma ti di siarad efo unrhyw un o'n nhw'n ddim eto, neu ti'n mynd i o gwbl eich?
Na, ddim mynd i o gwbl, mae'n gêm rhy enfawr.
Fi wedi bod tipyn bach, ond ddim gormod.
Bits and bobs, a bit of banter flying about, but like I said, everyone's just fully focused on tournaments.
Rhaid i pawb canolbwyntio a cael canlyniad yn erbyn nhw, hyd yn os mae'r chwaraewyr yn cael ffrindiau yn y tîm.